Rentify is a popular property management software for landlords and real estate managers, but before you take the plunge, there are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for you. In this video, we'll break down what makes Rentify stand out and where it might fall short compared to its competitors. First, Rentify promises ease of use, allowing property managers to track tenants, payments, and maintenance requests all in one place. However, while it's user-friendly, some users feel that the interface could use more customization, which platforms like Buildium or AppFolio provide. Next, Rentify offers an automated rent collection system, which is great for reducing late payments. This feature is similar to other tools, but Rentify doesn't have as many flexible payment options as some other software. Competitors like Tenant Cloud offer more payment integration choices for different payment preferences. The third thing to note is Rentify's tenant screening process. While they provide background checks, credit reports, and eviction history, Rentify doesn't offer as many advanced screening features as platforms like Cozy or Rentec Direct, which include more detailed data analytics for deeper insights into applicants. The fourth thing is Rentify's pricing structure. Rentify offers competitive pricing with no hidden fees, making it more affordable than some premium software like AppFolio. But while the price is lower, it may lack some of the more advanced features you get with pricier competitors, like direct bank integrations or advanced accounting tools. Moving on to the fifth point, Rentify includes a mobile app for landlords to manage their properties on the go. While the app is functional, it doesn't offer the same full functionality as other mobile apps in the industry, such as the one from Propertyware, which allows for more detailed management. Next thing, Rentify integrates with popular accounting tools, but its accounting features are limited. For real estate professionals who need in-depth financial reports and tax-ready documentation, software like Buildium or Rentec Direct offers more robust accounting capabilities. The seventh thing to consider is Rentify's customer support. While support is available through email and phone, users have reported slow response times during peak periods. Competitors like AppFolio, on the other hand, offer 24/7 support with quicker turnaround times. Moving on, the eighth thing is the property listing feature. Rentify helps you advertise your vacancies, but it doesn't have the reach of other platforms like Zillow or Apartments.com. If you need more exposure, you might want to consider alternatives with broader syndication options. The ninth thing is Rentify's maintenance request feature. Rentify allows tenants to submit maintenance issues, but it lacks the automation and workflow management that platforms like Propertyware or Rentec Direct offer. If managing maintenance is crucial to you, you might prefer a platform with more robust workflows. The 10th thing is Rentify's reporting tools. While Rentify does offer basic reports, they're not as advanced as other platforms. Competitors like Tenant Cloud offer more customizable and detailed reports that can be tailored to your business needs. Next, Rentify's integrations are somewhat limited. Unlike software like AppFolio, which integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, Rentify only works with a select few. This might be a deal breaker for landlords who rely on a more complex ecosystem of tools. The 12th and final point is that Rentify does have a solid set of features, but it's not the most feature-packed option out there. If you're running a larger portfolio or need highly customizable solutions, platforms like Buildium or AppFolio may serve you better. Overall, Rentify is a solid option for property managers looking for an affordable and user-friendly platform. However, if you need more advanced features, deeper integrations, or better customer support, it might not be the best fit. For a better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free, and see how it stacks up against Rentify.